Angela Hagenow. I'm the Academic Director at CTH in London. CTH stands for Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality, and I've been with the organisation for about 10 years now. CTH has a history of about 39 years teaching hospitality and tourism qualifications. And CTH qualifications are in the arena of management, professional skills and culinary. And we are regulated in the UK by Ofqual. And Ofqual is a government body which approves organisations to develop and deliver qualifications in their stead. We are in partnership with the Institute of Hospitality and the Institute of Travel and Tourism, and all the CTH qualifications are hospitality and tourism based. We operate around the world. We have centres in the Far East, in Europe and in the UK. And we recognise centres, we go into them, we check that they have facilities, we check that they have the right teaching staff, and we check that they are able to deliver our qualifications before we give any approval. But once we do approve a qualification within a centre, we make sure on an annual basis that they keep up to the standards required by Ofqual and by CTH. CTH qualifications range from learning how to cook, learning how to work in housekeeping, learning how to work in a restaurant, and through to managing within hotels, travel agencies, cruise ships, airlines, those sorts of things. We have centres teaching our qualifications around the world, and today I'm at IIHE in Sri Lanka, in Colombo, and they have got some really interesting premises. I've just passed the library, which looks very extensive. I've met a number of lecturers, and not only are they qualified to teach, but they're also qualified because they have experience of working within the industry. And I've met a couple of students who were very complimentary about the organisation. One actually said they'd had a perfect time since they'd been here. These students are studying the CTH Level 3 Institute of Hospitality Management course, which is designed for working people who want to top up their qualifications. And they cover a range of subjects in the management area, including strategic management, finance, human resources, etc. IIHE are also qualified to deliver some of the CTH qualifications, both in the practical arenas, so learning housekeeping, learning front office, learning food and beverage, as well as culinary. And they also have management qualifications for students who are coming straight out of school, where students can do what we call a level 3, which is a foundation diploma, similar level to A-levels, which gives them the option of either following the level 3, studying level 4, so going down the academic route, or getting a job within a hotel. And because in Sri Lanka the hotel industry is growing exponentially, I would imagine there will always be a job for a student who's done hospitality. So why should you study CTH qualifications? Because we're a long way away in the UK, but our qualifications, because they're government approved, means that they are of a certain standard. And it means that if you've done level 3, it gives you the opportunity to go into university if you want to, or to carry on studying level 4 qualifications with CTH. Our courses can be cost effective because you can study part-time or you can study full-time. And our centres benefit from having study resources, learning materials that we produce in the UK and distribute to qualified centres. I think our staff back at base are highly qualified. We have specialists in the culinary field, in the travel and tourism field, and myself, I worked in Hilton hotels, Intercontinental hotels and Marriott hotels before I went into the more academic side of hospitality. And I think students can have a truly global experience with our qualifications. Thank you.